Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to play in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Steam Download. Open the official Steam website and click Install Steam. Once the installer has finished downloading, run it and complete the installation. After Steam is installed, launch the application. Sign in if you already have a Steam account. If you don't have one yet, click Create a new account and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Now use the search bar at the top of Steam and search for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Open the game page, then click Add to Cart. After that, select View My Cart and continue to checkout. Enter your payment details and billing information. Then complete your purchase by following the prompts. Once your purchase is complete, go to your Steam library. You'll see Grand Theft Auto San Andreas in your list of games. Click Install, choose your preferred installation location if needed, and wait for the download to finish. After the installation is complete, click Play to launch the game and start enjoying GTA San Andreas on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.